Hi and welcome. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me here on the Whimsy Stamps channel. Today I have two quick and simple 4th of July goodies to share with you, a treat box and a card. Both projects are very easy. Now I'll be using Whimsy Stamps treat box die and the FaDoodle Star stamp set along with a few other items. We'll talk about those a little later in the video. Now I ran the treat box die through my die cut machine with Neenah Desert Storm cardstock. I do recommend a heavier weight cardstock so that the box holds up. I randomly stamped stars on the treat box using red, blue, and gray ink. You could use white if you wanted to. I recommend stamping the stars before you fold the box. It's much easier. And once I'm happy with the stamping, I'm going to go ahead and fold the box up on the embossed lines. So this die really does all the work for you. I add glue to the tab here. And then we're going to fold the box in half, making sure everything is lined up straight. Take your time with this step so the box is square when you're done. You won't want a wonky box. Then it's just a matter of closing the bottom of the box, and you can see here how easy that is as I demonstrate. So next I have a 1 inch by 8.5 inch piece of white cardstock here. I'm going to stamp stars down this strip using the stars from the Micro Patterns stamp set that just recently released. I'm going to be using gray ink to do this. Now here's the thing, it doesn't have to be perfect because this is going to be our paper rosette on top of our treat box. We're going to take this to a scoreboard and we're going to score it at every 1/4 inch mark. Once you have it scored, you're going to go ahead and start to fold your rosette. Now I fold away from myself and then I fold towards myself. And I'm creating mountains and valleys. It's like an accordion fold. When I'm done folding it, I'm going to go ahead and give it a really good squeeze. It helps to crease all of those folds. Then we're going to come in with a pair of scissors and we're going to snip off one of the 1/4 inch sections here on the end. Now I'm using hot glue to go ahead and glue the ends together, but you could easily use tape or regular glue. Just allow for dry time. Once the glue is dry or cool, in my case, I'm going to fold the rosette in on itself, laying it flat. So I have a piece of scrap paper there. I've put some hot glue on there. And I'm going to go ahead and center my rosette up on that hot glue and hold it until it dries. This just makes it easier to handle the rosette and add it to your projects as you're going along. So hot glue to the back of that rosette, go ahead, center it up on the top of the box. And while it's drying, I went ahead and cut out the 4th from the Cutie numbers die set out of red cardstock. And I cut a strip from the quick strip die set from blue cardstock to decorate the top of my rosette. I'm going to add twine to the top of the rosette before I add the die cut pieces. So a dot of hot glue and then the twine, I'm going to loop it around on itself, laying it in that hot glue. Another dot of hot glue on top of that twine and go ahead and lay the blue banner down. Now I'm going to use regular glue to add the 4th onto the top of the box. And here we are, we're done. So quick and simple. Now for the card, it's just a matter of taking those same steps, and instead of doing a box, you just create a card. Now for my card, I did go in and add the stars and stripes sentiment randomly on the front of the card, but both projects come together so quick, and I think it's just such a fun, festive little touch. I know a lot of us are starting to get together with family again, so what a great way to celebrate the 4th of July. I really do appreciate you guys joining me as always. You know, everything is linked in the description box directly below for you. And until next time, take care.